Whew. She is looking nice and clean. Oh, except for all that shit. What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a good one, especially for you guys to watch, because it is going to be another car video, as you can tell probably from the title. But Ben, who was in one of my recent videos, we installed his headlights. He is coming over soon and we are installing some new tail lights on his car, and we're going to try and finally get these hella horns in, because last time we couldn't do it because we were missing something. We'll be installing them hopefully. He is in fact getting the same tail lights as me, but they are not exactly the same. What I mean by the same is they have this exact design, except mine are the clear lens with the black housing and his are going to be fully smoked, which I was originally going to get. It's going to be cool to see them up close because I originally wanted them, but I ended up changing my mind and I went with these ones. It's going to be cool because we're both going to have the same tail lights, just different spec. His car is going to look sick with new tail lights. Super keen for him to come. I just got to move my car out of the carport and park it, I don't know, out on the road there so he can put his car in here. Now, she's going to be nice and cold. You know what my interior is really missing? I don't know if anyone can guess it, but if you just did, it's a boost gauge. I need a boost gauge. I really want one right here. Let's just put her out on the road. She's looking very beautiful right now, I must say. By the way guys, I did order a new little cosmetic mod last night. It's a fender ornament, they call it. I ordered a gloss black one with white WRX inlay writing, which I reckon is going to look really cool, because I'm not going to lie, this chrome looks really boring and the black will match everything else. I'm super keen for that to get here. I'll be making a video on that, so stay tuned for that. Nice little table that we can put all the stuff on. I'm out here playing Clash Royale while I wait for him. That's a dub, baby. No, I can see him. He went down the wrong street. Hey, mate. Oh no, go that way. And then just go that way and then come back around. He even texted saying I'm lost. Oh, here he is. He made it. Yeah, that's good. I'm actually keen to see him. I've only ever seen him on
the smoked ones, like
someone's car. Do the honours. Damn. Fuck, they look sick. See, you saw the difference? Those were his ones and these are mine. I reckon they both look sick. I'm going to take off his right one first. A little before and after. Stock. So these are the smoked ones. They got a chrome housing.
golden.
Hey! What was that?
Shit, what was that?
Oh, that was the clip. That's all good.
This is the
first tail light out, baby. Easy. I think, it's like, I think it's right on there. I think you just have to, I remember you have to use force. So you gotta like push it in. So you've got these all here. This, it's gotta go in there. But this is the annoying part. Is it all plugged in?
Yep, all plugged in.
Oh, we can probably test it. Oh, we're gonna see how they look. Oh, sequential already went on. Damn, okay, that's normal lights. That's sequential. I think they are just as bright as mine.
Are
they? Yeah, they're pretty bright. There's reverse. Yeah, they're all working. That's all good.
Nice.
We're gonna leave this till last to take it off. I just gotta do this one. We're both bleeding. We dropped the fucking screw down there, bro. I'm just the cameraman for today. Hold this back. Yeah, it's all good. Hold on. Oh, for fuck's sake.
The gasket.
Hey, that is so crusty, bro. Let's go. One down, one to go.
Good?
Yeah, that's good.
Right?
Yeah.
And then reverse.
Yeah, that's good. We like nearly installed the whole tail light and we forgot the gasket. So we took it back out. Alright, we're done, baby. It took us a little bit, but that's all good. I'll let you do the honors.
Alright.
First one. It's gonna look so much better. Whoa. That is so sick, man. Another mod done to the Subi. Oh, look at that. Look at this.
Looks so good.
Look on camera right here.
That looks so good. Oh my god. That looks really
Damn,
good.
bro. That looks sick. We're hungry, so we're gonna go get some KFC now.
KFC break?
Yes. Damn, bro. That looks sick, man. I'm actually so jealous. Alright, I'm leaving my Subi here and Ben's taking me. We'll go off to KFC. You locked me out, bro. I love that. I know, bro. What's up, Colonel Sanders? I might just get a zinger box. You got to be able to see while we're eating. I haven't had this in forever. Oh, what a view. Alright guys, we're back home now. Ben's taillight's all done. We're gonna give it a go for his hella horns. Hopefully it's all good. Ugh. Oh no. Oh fuck. You hear that frog? We got this.
Mine's off.
Mine's up.
Nice.
Yep.
Good?
Yeah.
All off on the side? Oh, fog lights.
Fuck's sake, not this again.
Alright, please.
I'll just chill out.
Oh, my back. Fuck.
Comes out, I think. Alright, so that's got to come off. And then putting on this new one. Right in the middle there. So that just plugs into that. Alright, that's the old one. These are so fiddly to install, man. They're so annoying.
We're getting somewhere.
We are. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so loud. They definitely work. I reckon they look sick. Alright, let's put this fucking bumper back on. They sound so loud, man. I was not expecting it to sound that loud. Alright, they're all on.
Hello, horns on.
Let's go and put this down. Oh, that looks sick. I can't wait till you get custom plates.
Yeah, we'll finish off the front one.
That looks really good with your logo and your pinstripe. Let's go. We got them both installed. We got the hella horns done. They're loud as fuck. And we got his new tail lights on, which look absolutely sick. That was a good day.
Horns on, lights on.
And I think Ben's gonna eventually get the sequential indicators. Man, I'm jealous of these. I should have got these. Mine just do that one. There's the horns. Mission accomplished. Looks good, man.
Alright,
that was
see you,
fun.
bro. Thanks for your help.
It's all good. I'll see you hopefully this weekend then.
Yeah, I'll see you around. Yeah.
See you, bro. Hey. He's gonna hit the horn again. And there's people right here. See ya. My car's back in the carport now. That was a really fun day. It's so cool to see him mod his car and it's fun to help him out. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and all that good stuff down below. And while you're down there, just hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more content and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.